Where's my nut driver set? I can never find it in this mess. Do you know where I left it? It's not in the shop.
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. Take your workspace to the next level with the French Cleat Nut Driver Organizer. This innovative solution is designed to bring order to your tools and streamline your workflow. Specifically crafted for 3/4-inch French cleat systems, this organizer securely holds up to 7 nut drivers, keeping them easily accessible and always within reach. Built with advanced 3D printing technology, it's made from high-quality PLA material, durable enough to handle daily use while remaining eco-friendly. Its sleek, modern design not only complements your workshop, but also frees up valuable bench space by organizing your tools vertically. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a weekend DIY enthusiast, this organizer is tailored to meet your needs. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.